Learn to spell part 3.
Hey kids, welcome to Toy Remember Show. Today it's number 3 spelling words.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Map. M-A-P. Map. You ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, first word. Map.
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 Map. First word. Map. Map.
Map.
Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Are you ready for the second word?
Yeah.
Okay, second word is cap.
I'm writing cap.
Cap.
Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Second word. Cap. Cap. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. Are you ready for your third word?
Yes.
Nap.
No.
Nap. Third word. Nap. Nap. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. Are you ready for your fourth word?
Yeah.
It is tap. Tap.
Oh, peep.
Tap. 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 Lap. L-A-P. Lap. Fifth word. Ready? Lap.
Look.
Lap.
A-P.
Lap.
Oh, I messed up.
Can we do it again? Okay.
This is gonna be easy. P.
Lap. Lap. His. H-I-S. His. Are you ready for word number 6?
Yeah.
Okay. The word is his.
Here.
His. 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 Was. W-A-S. Was. Are you ready for your last word?
Yeah.
The word is was.
Oh, I know what that one is. Well, that one's gonna be easy.
Was.
No, C? Oh, yeah, C.
Was.
Was.
Correct. It's an F. Was. Was. Do you have surprise minions?
Yeah.
You do? So, are you going to open them?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's see what those Despicable Me minions are in them boxes.
Whoops, sorry. Get the bad guy.
Oh my goodness. I love that one.
You love that one? Look, this minion was in jail.
It was?
Uh-huh.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I like that one. Let's see what's in the other one.
Okay. Well, this one's gonna be a bad guy. Yeah. No.
You don't think it's the bad guy?
Yeah. Oh. Ba 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 ba. Ow! Ouch! Who shot me? I love to play with minions.
You do?
Ba 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 ba. Ouch! 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 Why are you fighting me? Ow! Hiya! Ow! Kick the box. Hiya! I'm hiding in here. Boy. Ouch!
You're gonna hide?
Ow! And I'm hiding in here. Well, nobody can. Ow!
Are you hiding them?
Yeah. Close your eyes, kids.
Let's open it up and look inside.
Yeah. Let's check in here. It's not in that box. Now, where would it be? If I was a big minion, I'll hide under the table.
If you were a minion, you would hide under the table?
Yeah.
Where did that minion hide?
Not in this box.
He hid in the box?
No, it didn't.
Oh well,
No.
let's see if he's in the box.
Nah.
Let's see. Is he in that box? Was you teasing me? Was you teasing me? Let's see. Oh, I see him. There he is. You hid him inside the box.
We'll go.
I don't know. Did he go hide in the box too?
No.
I think they like hiding in that box.
No, they don't. Like, I hide it under the table.
You hid him under the table?
Thank you for watching my video. Bye, kids. I see you next time. Hey, these are like puppets. Beep, beep, boop, beep, boop, boop, boop. Hey, you can also hang them on your hand.
You can, can't you?